Combine with fingertips. 500 grams milk powder. 1/2 tin Nestle dessert cream. Till it resembles fine breadcrumbs. This takes some patience. Now leave covered for 1 hour. Add small quantities at a time to a blender. Empty into a separate bowl. Look how fine the blended mixture is. When all the mixture has been blended, keep aside, then head to the stove. 60 grams butter, 1 cup brown sugar, remaining 1/2 tin Nestle dessert cream, 1 tin evaporated milk, 1 tin condensed milk. Make sure to scrape the bottoms, stirring continuously. Bring to a boil. Mixture will thicken a little and begin to bubble. Let it boil for 7 minutes. Stir rapidly, scraping the bottom to prevent scorching. Turn off the heat after about 7 minutes. Add spray mixture, small quantities at a time, mixing well till dissolved. Add more, mix well, and repeat till all is finished. Remove from hot plate. Add 1 cup sifted icing sugar. Mix till dissolved. 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. Bubbles will rise. Leave to cool. Once cooled, add to mold and decorate. Some kataifi and butter. Fry or bake at 180 till golden brown and crisp. Combine viral pistachio paste, layer, before serving, I topped with a drizzle of melted chocolate, but I don't recommend doing so.